Sikkim is a small and scenic state located in the northeastern part of India, nestled in Himalayan mountains by Nepal to the west, Bhutan to the east, and Tibet to the north. Sikkim became the 22nd state of India in 1975, merging with the Indian Union. It is known for its pristine natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. Sikkim is often referred to as the land of the Himalayas. It is home to the majestic Kanchenjunga, the third highest peak in the world. The state offers breathtaking views of snow-capped mountains, glacial lakes, and lush green valleys, making it a heaven for nature lovers and adventure and enthusiasts. Sikkim is renowned for its diverse ethnic communities. With major population, people of Sikkim are known for their warmth and hospitality, creating a welcoming atmosphere for visitors. It is known for being an eco-friendly state with a strong emphasis on conservation and sustainable tourism. It has multiple areas such as Kanchenjunga National Park, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Tourism is a major contributor to Sikkim's economy, attracting a significant number of domestic and international travelers travel each year. The state offers a wide range of activities, including trekking, mountaineering, paragliding, and river rafting, catering to the adventure seekers. Sikkim hot spring medicinal plants and serene monasteries attract those seeking tranquility and spiritual solace. In conclusion, Sikkim, as a part of India, offers a unique blend of natural beauty, cultural diversity, and sustainable tourism. Its serene landscaping, vibrant traditions, and warm, welcoming peoples make it an enchanting destination for all.